Hi everyone, my name is Mahra Almutawa from grade 4B. Today we will learn how to add fractions and mix numbers using recipes. I'm supposed to bake 24 cupcakes, but my recipe only has the ingredients listed for 12. So I have to double the recipe, which means I have to adjust the amount of the recipe. So instead of using 2 cups of flour, I will use 4. The recipe says 1 cup and 1/2 cups of sugar, but I need to add the mixed number to itself. 1 cup and 1/2 plus 1 cup again and 1/2. Add the fractions first, then the whole number. And the answer is 2 and 2/2, which is 3 because 2/2 means a whole. Baking powder, 2 teaspoons and 1/2 teaspoons, 2 and 1/2 teaspoons plus 2 again and 1/2. Add the fractions first, then the whole number. And the answer is 4 and 2/2, which is 5 because 2/2 means a whole. For the salt, 1 teaspoon plus 1 teaspoon equals 2 teaspoons. Butter 1/3 plus 1/3 plus equal 2/3. Remember to add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. Milk, 2/3 plus 2/3 equal 4/3, which is 1 and 1/3 cup. 4/3 is an improper fraction, so we had to change it to a mixed number. Vanilla, 1 plus 1 equals 2 teaspoons.